To set up voicemail on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, first of all, you have to open the phone application, and now you have to click on the voicemail in the right bottom corner. If you don't have this one over here, then you have to go for recents, click on this lines, and switch from identify into the classic one. There we go. Because, in this view, you can find voicemail over here, but you have to just go for the classic one, then click here. And now, if you are opening this for the first time, you will be prompted to create a voicemail password. So we have to enter a password you can easily remember, then you will get down button, and you have to input the same password one more time. Now you will be able to choose a greeting. So you will have two options: the default one that uses actually Carrier's standard greeting, or you can get the custom one, so it will allows you to record your own message. But sometimes you have to remember it's not supported for every Carrier, so it actually depends. And that's pretty much it. All you have to do is just to enter here for the right bottom corner on those voicemail settings.